Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on create personality ads on your eBay app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that. Just go up, you will click it on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, then you come here to settings, and it's going to take you to settings window, then you just go down here and you come here to adverse and related preferences, and you come to next window here, and you just go down here. So you come here to create a personalized ads profile, then you just click here on this mark. So just wait into this the mark here, it's gone, and we will go back, and you come here to uh, here and to create a personalized ads profile. Just click here on this mark, and like you see now with this color show for us, that's been create a personalized ads profile. It's on now. I wish you I give it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.